Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear honorable judges of Thesis in 5 Minutes Series 1, 2023, I hope all of you are in good health. First, let me introduce myself. I am Yusuf Pratama, master student from Faculty of Pharmacy at Airlangga, Indonesia. On behalf of my research team, let me present my research entitled A Reverse Molecular Immune Response of Indonesian Host Dust Mite Allergenic Extract Administration as an Immunotherapy to Allergic Rhinitis Mice Model. Before we go far, we need to know that the topic of allergy research is on an increasing trend at the moment, especially in cases of allergic rhinitis, which has occurred at least 50% of the world's population. Allergic rhinitis occurred in about 20 until 32% in several countries for the adult population. In children to teenagers, allergic rhinitis occurred in about 5 until 15% in several countries. Allergic rhinitis is kind of allergy characterized by increase of IgE production in the nasal mucosa tissue. As I have to try to explain earlier that the current development of treatment is starting to refer to immunotherapy. Although it is not the first choice, some guidelines have included immunotherapy as one of the allergic treatment. The effect of the symptomatic drug approach will end during the end of therapy. Now, allergen-specific immunotherapy, or AIT, is the only therapy that can relieve the cause of allergy. AIT has a direct immunological mechanism that involves the allergenic immune tolerance induction. Then, the objective of this research is to prove that the early exposure of Ph.D. of allergenic extract will decrease the expression level of interleukin-5 mRNA expression level, the protein level of interleukin-33 anti-SLP, the OX40 ligand mRNA expression level, and Rho-alpha mRNA expression level. Now, I will present the method of this research. The following is the timeline of my research, which is divided into 3 major phases, namely the sensitization, desensitization, and challenge phases. So with this research, the experimental animals that I used were biopsy mice, with an age of 6 until 8 weeks, with a total number of mice which is 56 mice consisting of 7 groups. Meanwhile, the parameter that we have measured consists of 2 major parts, namely the allergic phenotype and immunological parameters. The allergic phenotype parameters were observed through the number of nose stretching and sneezing of mice for 15 minutes by recording them. Meanwhile, the observed immunological parameters were divided into pentadentate mRNA, interleukin-33 anti-SLP protein level, OX40 ligand mRNA expression level, and Rho-alpha mRNA expression level. All of them were observed in the nasal mucosa tissue. For the result, the allergic group in all of the pages have a significant increasing number of nose stretching and sneezing frequency. The immunotherapy group in all of the pages have a significant difference between the allergy. And the immunotherapy group compared to the normal group, the first one, the immunotherapy was able to reduce the mRNA expression of P38 MAP kinase. This proves that desensitization can induce a decrease in mRNA expression of P38 MAP kinase as well as OX40 ligand and Rho-alpha. In the study, there were differences in the result between the normal and normal challenge group in the concentration of interleukin-33 and the SLP. This thought to be due to polymorphism in pathogenesis of allergy. In the allergy and immunotherapy groups, there was a significant decrease in the concentration of interleukin-33 and the SLP. Allergic conditions are characterized by the presence of sneezing behavior, stretching the nose, runny nose, red and watery eyes. In the study, which observed the frequency of sneezing and stretching the nose for the 15 minutes. The preclinical MAP kinase signaling cascade has been identified for its role in the regulation of innate adaptive immunity, and the combination of these 3 cytokines such as the SLP, interleukin-33, and the interleukin-25 will induce the phenotype of allergic symptoms. There was an increase of OX40 ligand expression, especially in the interaction of OX40 on the Th2 cells and OX40 ligand on the dendritic cells. And then the Rho-alpha has a significant role in innate lymphoid cell type 2 differentiation compared to the other innate lymphoid cell subset. For the conclusion, the exposure of IgM allergenic extract has decreased the expression level of interleukin MAP kinase mRNA, interleukin-33 SLP expression level, sulfur protein level, OX40 ligand mRNA expression level, and Rho-alpha mRNA expression level. Those are all of my presentation. On behalf of my research group, I want to thank you very much and hope to see you all at another time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.